Hello, welcome to the UK Statutory Redundancy Payout Excel calculator. This will calculate the statutory redundancy payout for your staff in the UK and Northern Ireland. What you need to do is put in your data here in these orange cells. That's the anything from 1 to 10,000 employees, whatever you can fit into this system. Put a name, date of birth, age, years of service, and you'll calculate the weekly rate. The redundancy date and where they are. Then the system will do the rest for you. So the orange is where you input everything else. The sort of bluey cells, that's just a calculator to do much there. And then the final ones are the sort of output. This is the statutory weekly pay with cap applied. This tells you exactly how much they're entitled to. So there might be somebody back here, like this person here. I think it was earning 60,000 a year, so their weekly pay was 1,154. But actually, when you apply the cap, all they're going to get is £538. And then here you've got the final UK statutory redundancy payout, is the amount that they're actually entitled to, and that's based on the statutory cap. And those caps are over here. As you can see, £538, the weekly pay cap, and then the total payout is £16,140 for the UK. And then for Northern Ireland, 560 and 16,800 of this. All the information is taken from the government site, and taken from there really. So yes, that's pretty much. You can calculate your statutory redundancy pay with this. It's very quick. You can do employees in just a few minutes once you put the data in at the end. So yes, I'd recommend. Using this if you want to speed up the process getting this done. Thank you.